Hello everyone, and first of all, a huge congratulations to everybody who's cleared the InfyTQ screening test. InfyTQ is always the first opportunity in a season, and if you've cleared the screening test, great. If you've not cleared the screening test, subscribe to this channel. We are going to tell you many more opportunities that are coming up. On to discussion about InfyTQ certification round. Now, if you have cleared the screening test, then you're just one step away from being certified. And if you're certified, then just an HR round and you actually can get a job offer. There's also the optional upgrade test, but again, that's for higher packages and that's completely optional. Even if you don't clear that, that's fine. Your major aim right now should be to clear certification test. Now, to help you prepare for the certification test, we have created a particular course. The link is in the description below. It has all the Python, Java, SQL MCQs, including the MCQs that had just come in the screening test recently. So we have that. We will have explanations of that. We have more than 20 coding questions of previously asked. Again, previously asked, there have been only 2 seasons. So we have about 20 coding questions plus extra coding questions to help you prepare. So do check out that link in the description below. Here are some things that you should know about the certification test. There will be 2 coding questions and roughly 20 MCQs. The 20 MCQs will be a combination of both Java as well as Python, Java or Python questions depending on which language you took in your first round. And apart from that, DBMS and SQL questions will be there in those 20 MCQs. Now, they've mentioned that you need 65% overall to clear it. It's unclear that how much weightage is given to coding and how much weightage is given to MCQs. But from our experience, the majority weightage is by coding questions. That is, if you solve 2 coding questions, you just need to perform very decently in the MCQs and you can actually get through the certification round. Overall, it's 3 hours. So we are roughly expecting around half an hour for the MCQs and the remaining part, that is 2.5 hours rather, for coding test. So that's more than enough time to actually clear the coding round. Prepare well for it and you'll definitely clear it. In our experience, these are the topics that are generally coming in the coding rounds. When it comes to MCQs, please check out our screening test webinar. We explained all of the topics that you can expect in the screening round and the MCQs. So it's roughly the same topics, but for coding round, you can expect strings, lists and arrays, sets, maps or dictionaries depending on if you choose Python or Java. In Python it's dictionaries, in Java it's maps, and maybe I've seen just one question on recursion, so maybe you might get a recursion question as well. So these are the important topics. If you go to the link that's mentioned in the description below, or if you also click on this link over here, this link, you will open up the Edyst course page. Once you sign up and you get in, you can actually see the Edyst course that's over here. This is the InfyTQ Edyst course, and you can go ahead, check it out. We have the InfyTQ MCQs. We have a warm-up module as well, just to get you used to programming if you've not done programming earlier. This is the InfyTQ coding question. So I just I'll just open that. Just give me 1 second. And here we have all of the previously asked coding questions of InfyTQ. Just loading. Just give me 1 second. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah, we have all of the previously asked coding questions, and we're continuously adding more as per the feedback that we get from the different students. So we're adding more. Each of these questions has both Java and Python functionality, so you can go ahead and practice on that. What more we have, it's not just a pack, we have a surprise for you. That is, what we are doing is we are actually doing live classes to help you out as well. So this is the live class schedule on Monday and Tuesday. I think you're probably watching this on a Tuesday, so you may have already missed some, but starting from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, we are doing a mock test every day, as well as revision rounds on both Python and coding questions. We are doing revision rounds on SQL MCQs as well. On Thursday, on Friday 16th April, we are doing programming MCQs revision, and on Saturday it's a final revision. So these classes will be taken by me. You can interact directly with me with any coding questions. It's either me or my colleague Abhinandan, but both of us will be taking these classes, so you can interact with us, get all your doubts cleared. If you have cleared screening test, don't miss this opportunity. Go ahead, prepare for certification test and make the most of it. If you need any more information, you can always reach out to us at team@edyst.com, or you can also WhatsApp us on this number, or let us know in the comments below. And as usual, if you have not cleared screening test, do pass this on to anybody who has cleared screening test. Do share this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel as well. Thanks everybody, and I'll see you all on the Edyst platform and for all the live classes upcoming. Thank you so much.